What's up guys, welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at Sunnyvale Skatepark. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix and improve your ollies, so check it out. In this lesson, I'm going to cover many problems that people encounter while learning to ollie, and provide solutions to help you correct them. Are you nervous to learn and scared to fall? Use a fence or a bench or something sturdy. Hold on tight with your hands, shoulder width apart, and start with just bending down and popping off the tail. Your goal for this is just to click off the tail and try to pop the back wheels off the ground. As you get better with that, work to slide your front foot up, which will allow it to catch in the front of the concave, and pull the tail of the board up to level it out in the air. If you need extra help with this, you can lean over the fence as you try for extra safety and less gravity. Remember to try to land all four wheels at the same time by extending your legs down early and bending down gently into your landing. Remember that this is a channel and we have a whole selection of videos to help you. Please click the blue Skate Heart logo to learn more. Please share this channel or video with your friends or anyone who could benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please support us and send a donation to help us keep this channel alive for you. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are in the description box below. Leave me comments or represent your country, including any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me, JB, back here for more of your favorite Skatepark lessons.